What's going on, YouTube? Today I'm going to do a coil building tutorial using 22 gauge Canthal. It's going to be a dual vertical coil inside of the Twisted Messes RDA. Something that you could vape about 50 watts. I'm going to do 7 reps on a 3mm screwdriver. It's probably going to come out to around 0.2. Let's do another vape and we'll get into it. Alright guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, I got 2 pieces about 6 to 8 inches long of 22 gauge A1 Canthal. We're going to be doing 7 reps on a 3mm screwdriver. Alright. Give these guys a little tug. There's one. Let's go ahead and wrap the other one real quick here, guys. Alright, there's number 2. Alright, let's snip these guys off here. Then we'll readjust that a little bit more here shortly. Let's cut some of this off here, guys. That ought to do it. Pop it on here. So we'll cut a little bit more of that off there. We don't run into problems. That ought to do it. got them somewhere where I want them. I think I'm going to pull this one coil out of here. I don't like the looks of it. Alright guys, also on these coils, you're going to want to put a bend. Let's get over here so you can see it. Put a bend about right here. Bring that down and then bring this back out. Something like that. Alright. So that way when you install that coil, it's going to sit in there right. Something like that. See that? What that bend does for you? Alright guys, there's the coil. Let's see what they came out to. 0.20. 0.2. That's what I want. Alright. That'll work right there. Let's get some wicking going. Alright guys, onto the wicking. I got 2 pieces of Japanese cotton here cut. They're about 3.5, 4 millimeters each. So what we'll do is we'll start off with one of them. We'll back out just a little bit so you can see a little better. What we'll do first, we'll pull both sides off. Just pull off a little thin layers. Thin as you can get it. There's one. This will just make it easier for what we're going to do. And there's 2. Okay, first piece. What we're going to do is just do our normal little thing. Swat it on up. What we're going to do is stick that down to the coil like so. And what I do is I put a little hook on a piece of canthal. I'm going to try to hook that like that. Then what I want to do is pull this through about like that. Then what we'll do is we'll cut some of this off. Okay, and then we'll start this way you can see it. Start to just pull little pieces, not too hard. It's kind of fan it out a little bit. Something like that. We'll pull that back through to about right there. We'll use the other side of that canthal. We'll start pushing that down the deck. A little cloud down there. Then we'll cut this flush up here at the top. Something like that. Okay. Get a little closer, you can see what's going on there. Okay. Alright, now let's do the other side. Same thing. Let's pull off a little thin piece. Like so. Both sides. Okay. We'll spin this around like that. Cut some of this off. I'm going to start to fan this out. Something like that. Drag her back up to about right there. Use the other side of that canthal, pop it in the bottom. Cut that off about flush, like that. Get a little closer so you guys can see what's going on here. That's about what we want right there. Alright, let me back this up a little bit. There we go. .21. We're probably about 0.2. Alright. Let's juice this up. All right, let's get this RDA on a mod and let's see how it vapes. All right, guys. All right, guys. Got that dual vertical build here in the Twisted Messes at 50 watts. Let's see how this thing vapes. Got the 12mm drip tip in there, the Delrin drip tip. Mmm. Good flavor off this build. Hardly any heat. 50 watts. I don't know if you can see that or not. .21. Right on, guys. Hope you enjoyed the build. This is Hurley Vapes, and I'll see you next time.